Becoming a leading expert at anything starts with relentless curiosity, consistent practice, and an unwavering commitment to mastery. And that is the thought for today. Welcome to 7 Good Minutes. I'm Clyde Lee Dennis. Thanks for joining me for what I believe will be 7 of the most enriching minutes of your day. In today's episode of 7 Good Minutes, we talk about how to become a leading expert at anything. Fast. Enjoy. Did you know that it takes just 10,000 hours to master a skill? That's about 20 hours a week for 10 years. But there are hacks to speed up your learning process and become an expert way faster. Rapid skill acquisition is crucial in today's fast-paced world, where technology and trends are constantly evolving. Acquiring new skills quickly can give you a competitive edge in your career and personal life. Many people believe that becoming an expert requires a natural talent or innate ability. But the truth is that with the right approach, anyone can become a leading expert. The key to rapid skill acquisition lies in understanding that it's a learnable skill, and like any other skill, it can be developed with practice and dedication. The right mindset, tools, and resources can make all the difference in achieving expertise. Having a growth mindset, being willing to learn from failures, and staying focused are essential for rapid skill acquisition. The right tools and resources can also facilitate the learning process, providing access to knowledge, expertise, and support. Whether it's online courses, books, or mentorship, having the right resources can help you learn more efficiently and effectively. By combining the right mindset, tools, and resources, you can set yourself up for success and achieve your goals. In today's digital age, there are numerous resources available to help you acquire new skills, from online courses to social media platforms, making it easier than ever to get started. You need a specific mindset to become an expert at anything, and that includes being open to learning, taking risks, and being persistent. You also need the right tools for practice, such as equipment, software, or other materials, depending on the skill you're trying to acquire. Having access to the right resources, such as books, tutorials, or mentors, is also crucial for rapid skill acquisition. To become an expert, you need to have a clear understanding of what you want to achieve and set specific goals for yourself. Breaking down your goals into smaller, manageable tasks can help you stay focused and motivated. Creating a schedule and sticking to it is also essential for making consistent progress. You should start by identifying the key areas you need to work on and prioritize your efforts accordingly. Focusing on the most critical aspects of the skill can help you make rapid progress and achieve your goals. Mastering any skill requires a structured approach, and that's what we're going to explore. The first step is to set clear goals and define what success looks like for you. The second step is to gather the necessary resources and tools to help you achieve your goals. The third step is to create a schedule and stick to it, ensuring that you're making consistent progress. The fourth step is to track your progress and make adjustments as needed. The fifth step is to stay motivated and focused, even when faced with challenges or setbacks. The sixth step is to continuously learn and improve, staying up to date with the latest developments and advancements in your field. The seventh step is to get feedback from others, whether it's through mentorship, coaching, or peer review. The eighth step is to reflect on your progress and identify areas for improvement. The ninth step is to stay accountable and responsible for your own learning. The 10th step is to celebrate your successes and accomplishments, no matter how small they may seem. The 11th step is to be patient and persistent, recognizing that mastering a skill takes time and effort. The 12th step is to always keep a growth mindset, being open to new ideas and opportunities. Let's say you want to become an expert at playing the guitar. You start by setting clear goals, such as practicing for 30 minutes every day. You gather the necessary resources, such as a guitar, tutorials, and online lessons. You create a schedule and stick to it, ensuring that you're making consistent progress. As you practice, you track your progress and make adjustments as needed. You stay motivated and focused, even when faced with challenges or setbacks. You continuously learn and improve, staying up to date with the latest techniques and styles. For example, you can practice a new chord every day, and then gradually increase the difficulty level as you become more comfortable. To enhance your learning and retention, you can use strategies such as spaced repetition, active recall, and summarization. You can also use techniques such as mnemonics, mind maps, and flashcards to help you remember key concepts and ideas. Additionally, you can develop habits such as consistent practice, regular review, and self-reflection to help you stay on track and achieve your goals. One common pitfall is procrastination, where you put off practicing or learning until the last minute. To overcome this, you can break down your tasks into smaller, manageable chunks and create a schedule that works for you. Another common pitfall is perfectionism, where you strive for flawlessness and get discouraged when you make mistakes. To overcome this, you can focus on progress, not perfection, and remind yourself that mistakes are an essential part of the learning process. Becoming a leading expert at anything requires a combination of the right mindset, tools, and resources. By following the structured approach outlined, you can set yourself up for success and achieve your goals. To recap, the key steps to becoming an expert are to set clear goals, gather resources, create a schedule, track progress, stay motivated, and continuously learn and improve. Remember, persistence and practice are key to achieving expertise, so don't give up, even when faced with challenges or setbacks. Keep pushing forward, and you'll be on your way to becoming a leading expert in no time. That does it for today's episode of 7 Good Minutes. Please take a moment to rate and review the show on the platform you're listening on. Until next time, let's be civil to one another out there. Thanks for listening.